Alien architecture works best when unusual shapes still follow believable lighting and perspective within the environment. Today, how to design photo-bash alien architecture. Open Photoshop and create a canvas around 3500 by 2000 pixels with a dark neutral background. Import an alien terrain or rocky desert landscape and position it across the bottom half of the canvas as the environmental base. Now, bring in images of towers, mechanical structures, or abstract architecture and place them around the scene on separate layers. Use free transform to reshape or stretch parts of the buildings,